Hello there, my friend Sadhan Samanta once again. I welcome you to my video. Today is day 19 of my 90-day video series, which I am making on internet marketing coaching, and wherein I am sharing with you golden nuggets or wisdom on a daily basis for you to be successful, so that you can follow these wisdoms and you can be successful in your online marketing business. And I am also following these things. I am also doing these things on a daily basis to be successful in my business. People are joining my team by looking at these videos and by listening to what I have to say, right? So if you also want to be successful, just go ahead and start doing what I am doing. Just start following, right? Okay. So in today's video today, I'm going to talk about gaining strength through adversity. Now, what is adversity? Adversity is something when you can say it is a failure, or when you are not successful, or when you are trying very hard but you are not getting the results, or something. Adversity can be on an extreme term, somebody's loss, somebody's death, or something like that. Okay, so how can you gain strength from your adversity? Like, I would like to ask you a question. Till now, have you felt being unsuccessful, or have you felt like a failure? Just think about it. Have you felt like one? And if you have felt like one, or if you have failed sometime, I'm sure you must have failed. Everybody has failed sometime or somewhere in their lives, right? So you must have also failed. But the question is, when you failed, what was your reaction? How did you react to that situation? Right? Just ask yourself that question. Were you like you had a failure mentality or attitude, and you started thinking that, okay, this is my destiny, I cannot do anything, this is what is my luck, or something like that? Or you fought back with your destiny, and you said, no, I'm not supposed to do supposed to be like this, and I'm supposed to fight, and I'm supposed to be successful. See, it is all about mindset, right? So if you have a successful mindset, you will be successful. And if you have a failure mindset, guess what? You are attracting more of it. Like I shared in my video yesterday, the more you think about the things on your mind on a daily basis, the more you are going to attract about the same, right? So always think about the positive things. Also, one more thing is that the failure, if we say it is your past, the deep as deep is your past, it just shows how, what is the height of your future will be, right? The depth of your past shows the height of your future. So whatever failures you have had till now, whatever misadventures you have had till now, do not think about them, do not worry about those. Just keep on working even if you are not getting results, because it's just like sowing a seed. When you sow a seed in a field, what happens? It doesn't sprout on the next day, right? What happens is, it takes some time, some time. You have to put some water, you have to do some cultivation, and then the seed starts popping out from the soil, and it becomes a plant, and then it becomes a tree, and then it starts giving you fruits. So it is also the same, my friend. Being successful, it is not very difficult. What the difficult is changing your mindset, because being successful is all about mindset. If you don't have the mindset right, you cannot be successful. I can tell you that with guarantee, right? Tell me, how many successful people do you know? Do you know too many successful people? Okay. If you know any successful person, is that person like he just did something and he went successful, or he strived for it, he worked hard for it, he was methodical about it, he worked in a path, he worked in a streamlined fashion or manner, and then he became successful, right? Just think about it. Nobody is lucky, and nobody just becomes successful overnight. Okay, it takes hard work, it takes persistence, it takes perseverance. You have to have the right mindset to be successful, and then only you can become successful, right? Okay. And if you want to meet successful people, and if you do not have any successful people around you, if you want to surround yourself with successful people, then we have a community, we have a huge community of successful people, where you can meet people like me, my mentors, my uplines, you would say, I mean, like, everybody is a great individual and all of them are successful, right? uh, you are the average of five people that you surround yourself with. So always choose the right people that you are going to surround yourself. If you surround yourself with failures, then guess what? You are also becoming a failure. If you are surrounding yourself with successful people, then you'll also be successful. Your income is directly proportional to the average of five people around you. Okay. So with that, I take off in this video. As I said, if you want to be part of a community of successful people, then just join right now. Click on this link below this video. Get into the team. Let's work together. Let's join our hands together and let's work towards each other's success. Right? All the best to your success. Take care.